Hi guys, with another video. Uh, Today I'm gonna show you why you don't need to throw these towel rolls. As you see, these are the oh sorry, this is as you see. What you do? Um, just hold on. Okay, what you're gonna do? You're gonna wet all this roll with the water and here the what I did. Just put this right there and poured it with rocks like this, and both of them. And then after that, mix all the cement, and after that, just pour out inside of these rolls. All right, and time to time, what you're gonna do a little bit, you're gonna tap it after putting little bit, and after that you tap it, yeah, each one of them, and put all the way up to here, the concrete. Then let's stay that maybe 1 week, and time to time just spray with the water. And after that, as you see, turns. This is the way. As you see, this towel rolls. It helps to make this one, as you see. Yeah, of course you can make it the nicer way too, but you just practice and a couple of times do with this cement, and of course you need to wet again. You need to spray it with the water and pour out inside of this roll cement, just cement, pour out inside of this here, and then here you are. This is the one. Of course, this is a smaller one. It's broken, but it's what you can do. You can use whatever you want to do it. Like this, it comes together like this, and another one comes smaller. On your garden, you can separate little place, and you can decorate like this. All right, guys, and thank you for watching, and see you soon with another video. So hi again with another video. See, previous video I showed you how you can make it. You can use these towel rolls to make this, bricks. We can call bricks or whatever you want to call it. And what happened? I did little bit to show you guys. Look how nice came up. You can do around your backyard nicely. Maybe you can paint it, but look at this paper towels rolls turns as bricks. So yeah, as I said, very good design. What I see, look at here. I like it. Each one else goes lower and lower and makes your garden beautiful. Yeah, please don't throw your towel rolls, and use it. And whenever you have a time extra time, you want to do some kind of how some kind of work outside your garden, and then you can make it this, as you see. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe, and see you soon with another video. Bye.